Hello, welcome to day 2 of our 5 out of 4 agility tank sew along. Everybody thinks I'm crazy, but today is my favorite day. I love cutting into fabric because that's when I'm a visual person. So when I'm actually working on something, that's when things start clicking for me and I can start really envisioning it and visualizing it and really seeing kind of the end product in my mind instead of just like I could stare at fabric all day and not really get an idea of what it wants to be. But once I start cutting into a pattern, I'm like, yes, this is what I need. This is what I need. And things start switching up like crazy. So, so today is my favorite day. I love cutting fabric. I know that's crazy, but talking about fabric, let's get into kind of the fabrics that work best for this pattern. So since it's a sports bra with a tank built into it, you really want something that's going to be more supportive. So you're going to want like athletic knit, swim, a really good double brush poly. The Luxe double brush poly from H&M would actually be perfect for this because it's got some really great recovery to it and some good stretch without pulling out, without bagging out, without stretching it because of the recovery, and it's really great. It comes back in. Those are what I really recommend. If you are wanting a little bit more support for your lining, I would do like a power mesh or some kind of mesh in it so that it kind of just, again, helps the recovery and helps it not stretch out quite as much. And that'll give you some really great support in your bra area. This pattern, you can also add in optional bra cups, removable bra cups if you want. I'm not going to be doing that because I find that when I do those, I just don't like them. So I won't be doing that with this one, but you can do that. That is an option. And there is actually a nursing option on this pattern as well. So doing the clips, the nursing clips, they have those in the instructions as well. I am currently not nursing any babies, so I will not be doing that option, but it is in there and it is an excellent, excellent nursing tank for that. So just to get into a little bit about what you'll need when cutting, I'm actually going to be doing mine out of swim because I like the support that swim gives and the feel, and it still is breathable without, so things don't get like all sweaty and blah. So I'm using some swim, and I got some of our beautiful boho queen butterflies. I love this. I'm so excited about this. And then I got some of this navy, this like emerald to go with it. Look at how perfect these go together. Oh, I'm so excited. Anyways, okay, sorry. Sidetrack. So when cutting this out, there are a lot of different options, and you kind of need to decide which ones you want to do. If you want to do the strappy back, T-back, there's different kind of bindings you need based on that. If you want to just do the bra, if you want to do the bra and the tank, if you want to add a band, I am just going to be doing the bra and tank without a band. I did lengthen my pattern by, I don't know if you can see it anymore, but by about 3 inches. It's over here. Because I like my tops a little bit longer. So I wanted to lengthen it just a little bit so that if I'm wearing it with leggings, I'm not like constantly trying to pull it down. But what you are going to need is you are going to need a bra front, upside down, and you'll also need a bra front liner. I'm lining with the same fabric just because, like I said, I really like the recovery of swim, and I feel pretty, when I wear swim, I feel pretty supported. I was going to say contained, and then I was like, that's not the right word, supported. You're also going to need a bra back, which I was kind of confused at first because there was a bra back and a T-back, and I was like, do I need both of them? And you do. So you'll need a bra back and a bra back lining as well, and that's just kind of that rectangular piece on there. And then you will need a T-back if you're doing the T-back and not the strappy back, and a T-back lining. And then you'll need your agility tank back and your agility tank front piece. And then you'll also need your binding pieces. So there's a separate cut chart for binding. So you'll need a binding for the front, a binding for the front, a binding for the back, and then 2 binding pieces for the arms. After I cut mine out, I realized that you attach the binding for the arms to the back. And then I was like, this might look a little strange because originally I wanted to do all my binding in this color, but I didn't have enough. So I was kind of bummed. But I'm like, we're just going to roll with it and see what it looks like. You are also going to need some 3/4 inch elastic for your bra portion to help just kind of support it and keep it all up. If you're me, you need as much help in that area as you can get. So definitely some 3/4 inch elastic. But that is all you need to cut for this pattern. And then tomorrow we will sew up the bra portion, and then the next day we'll be sewing up the tank and attaching it to the bra, and then we'll be putting our binding on, and then we'll have our agility tank done. I'm really excited about this. I think it's going to go great with the peg legs that we did earlier, and then you can put your Lumia over top of it, and it's perfect. I'm so excited. Each month, that's kind of what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do kind of themed months for the sew along, where hopefully by the end of the year, you'll have a closet full of amazing things for you or a loved one. But trying to kind of build on pieces so that they can be layered or used together versus like, oh, I just made this and it's nice, but I have nothing to wear it with. So that's my hope with the sew along, and I hope you're enjoying it. And I cannot wait to see your fabrics. So in the comments, please put a picture of the fabric that you're using, because I really can't. It's my favorite day. I love seeing fabric. If you can't tell, I'm a little obsessed with fabric and might have a problem depending on who you ask. Me, I don't think I have a problem. I think I have a very healthy addiction to fabric. My husband, on the other hand, does not agree. And I don't say I'd say addiction. I have a healthy attitude towards fabric. I see fabric I love, and I get it. Right? That's healthy. I don't know. Anyways, I can't wait to see your fabrics so that hopefully I can be inspired to get some more fabrics. I don't know. But I'm excited to see these done this week. So thank you for joining me today. Tomorrow we'll be sewing up our bra, and I will see you then. Bye.